Hello and welcome to Technic4's tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you what's new in Bulk Importer plugin version 1.1.1 in CourseFunnels. Let's start. As you can see here, I have already updated my Bulk Members Importer plugin. If you have not yet updated your plugin, you can just click Check for Update to easily update the plugin. For example, on this plugin right here, whenever we release a new update, you will see a new version available to click. After updating the plugin, enable it. On the sidebar section, click on Bulk Members Importer, then click on CourseFunnels. Let me show you what's new in this plugin. In the new update, you can also give multiple course access to any users. For example, if I choose any course access, I'll choose this one, YouTube Marketing Course. To add new students, click here, Add New Student. And add the student details here, like the name and email. For the course, you can select multiple courses. For this example, Instagram marketing, then WhatsApp marketing, and Twitter marketing. Then you can choose the membership status. I will choose Activate. Add the password, then confirm the password. If you want to add extra details like first name, last name, city, zip code, anything that you would like, just click on Add New. After adding the extra details, save the changes. I have successfully added a student manually. This is how you can add students, give multiple course access, and even activate or deactivate students' membership status in the new Bulk Members Importer plugin. In this version, you can add a student or multiple students. If you want to add multiple students to any course funnel, click on it. Then click on Import Students. Then import your CSV file of your students. Choose the name field, email field, and select the courses you want to give the students access. Then click Import. As you can see, I have successfully imported all my students. If I click on Edit Student, you can see the courses which that student has access to. If you want to remove a course access from that student, just click the X button. You may also edit the membership status here. Then save the changes. And that's it for the new Bulk Importer plugin in CourseFunnels. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.